Hey guys, this is the C coder and today I'm going to teach you how to make a web browser. First you'll need to open Visual Studio and choose Windows Forms app, .NET Framework. Then you'll need to choose a name. I'm going to name it as the browser. Okay, I created it. Now next step. Okay, it has finally loaded. It just took 6 seconds. And toolbox, first you'll need to change the text of form 1. Can you see the form 1 text is just form 1? So I'm going to change the text to the browser, as you can see here. After that, toolbox, and I'll need to take one button, but I'm going to copy it. Wait, let me undo this button's size. Okay, I'm going to copy this button and paste it. Control C is for copy and Control V is for paste. Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. You'll need 5 buttons. Okay, so button 1 in this corner, button 2 right here. Okay, then I'm going to rename the text of these buttons to back and forward. Okay, it's back and forward right now. Now I'll need to bring the forward button below the back button and resize the back button to make it smaller. Then again this button. Okay, I'm going to bring it right here. And now button 3, which is reload. I'm going to change the button 3 text to reload again. Reload, as you can see. After the text has been changed to reload, just click enter. And button 4, which is known as home, the home button, HOME. Okay, now button 5. I'm going to bring button 5 to this corner and change this text to go, go. I like exclamation points because I love them and they're fun to use. Okay, now you need a text box. Okay, then take a text box, put it right here and resize it. Is it the proper size? Okay, it's the proper size. Now a browser, WEBBROWSER, web browser. Take a web browser and pull it into form 1. Okay, now we'll not need the toolbox now. Maybe we'll need the toolbox. Okay, no problem. Okay, now this, we'll create it like this. Okay, after the UI user interface has been created, let's go to the code. Okay, first for the back button code, double click the back button. It'll take you to the code. Okay, yeah, okay, the code. Okay, now we need to type if, wait a minute, if should be small, if a web browser 1 dot can go back, then go back. For the go back code, you need to type web browser 1 dot go back, not can go back. Web browser 1 dot go back, parentheses and colon, a semicolon. Okay, after that, forward button. I'm just going to copy the back button's code and paste it into the forward button. I'm going to change the go back button to the go forward button. Control C. Okay, it's copying. Copied, and Control V, paste. This time we'll change the back button to forward. I'm creating this video because the last video I showed was a very long. It was very long. It was 1 hour. So some people might have not watched the video. So I'm creating a really short one. Okay. All the code has been changed in this one. Now we need to write the reload button code. So double click reload again and type web browser 1 dot refresh. This time you don't need to write if, because why do you need to write if? So after I wrote if, I don't write if. Okay, so I wrote web browser 1 dot refresh. That's the code for refresh. And now home. Now web browser 1 dot navigate to this text. You need to type a text inside parentheses, and I don't know what those two are called. In the last video I did not pay that much attention to Joseph, so just type those things, and in that you need to type https / and the link of the website you want to set as home. I'm going to set the home as www.google.com. The button won't work if you don't write www. So www.google.com and semicolon. Okay, now the go button. Now we need to type, this is a little hard code, it's not that hard. Okay, so web browser 1 dot navigate wait, that's wrong. Inside this, none of those two lines which I forget the name of. Navigate text box 1 dot text and semicolon. Now if you want, this is optional. I'm going to change the start URL of the web browser in the properties. So let's search for URL. Yeah, URL. I'm going to set the URL as the same, https slash www.google.com. Okay, now enter and save. Save. Just press save all or use this shortcut Control Shift S. I'm just going to click this button. Yeah, it's saving. After this, I'm going to show you how it looks like. Okay, it has saved. Now time to start build the code. Okay, it's going to start now. Can you hear me breathe? That's my excitement. Because I'm excited to show you guys this. Okay, now don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and plus this is not the end of the video. Like, share and subscribe, and this is not the end of the video. Okay, it's starting. As you can see, the build started, project, the browser, configuration, debug, any CPU. Okay, just ignore that, not responding. It'll happen sometimes when you download Visual Studio. Yeah, let's wait. Okay, it started. And in 3, 2, 1, you'll see the web browser opening. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, it still didn't open. Where is it? Yeah, it'll open. Okay, it opened. Okay, look here. This is the home button. Oh, wait, it's still loading. It's still loading. Okay, home button, it works. Okay, now let's search for a website. Okay, now we'll go to www.youtube.com. youtube.com. Now press go. Okay, it's going. Look, and YouTube has loaded. Okay guys, it was the end of the video. Bye. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Like, share, subscribe and hit the bell button. Okay guys, now it's the end of the video.